Welcome! In front of me I have OPPO Watch X2 Mini and I'm gonna show you how to turn on this watch. To turn on this watch we need to press and hold the lower button and keep holding it until you see the OPPO logo on the screen. Once you see the logo you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting up, which takes a few seconds or maybe a little bit more. Okay, we're back in the system, or we're in the system now, and it took definitely more than a few seconds, and basically that's how you turn on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.